So what is tatting? It's a knotted form of lace that's basically just made by repeating one knot. And this is kind of a big model of the tatting knot, which is called the double stitch. It's in knot terminology, it'd be a lark's head on a running line. There's all kinds of things you can make with tatting. We've got some samples here. You can go anything from going very traditional all the way to funky. And you can have a lot of fun with it. Tatters these days really have a lot of advantages available to them. They have so many colors of thread. There's over 100 colors of this Lisbeth thread now, and they're making more all the time. So you can really have fun with color if you want to. Back when I started, all I could find was white. So I made a lot of things with white, but now I'm having a lot of fun with color. All patterns are made of just two design elements. The basic elements are rings, which are the round parts, and chains, which are the little curved lines between the rings. In this example, the rings are the white thread, and the little curved lines in between are the chains. You'll even find tatting patterns that are made only of rings. Tatting requires very little in the way of tools and equipment. Basically just need a tatting shuttle and some thread, and just maybe a crochet hook only to help you with some of the trickier joins. A lot of the projects in this course are tatted jewelry, and of course if you're getting into jewelry you're going to be adding beads. So then there are other additional tools that you'll be needing to work with the beads.